to be live. Yep. And we are live in this live stream. Hello, NGB the gang. You already know what's going on. Doing a little live trading today, as you know. I've said I'm starting to get a little bit more into live trading, so we just gonna be going through some pairs, doing our thing, chilling a little bit, and you know, if an opportunity presents itself, we're gonna take it, people. You already know what's going on. Let's see what's going on with it. So yeah, I'm gonna just be going through some pairs, drawing up some lines, seeing if any opportunities present themselves, and hopefully we can get a trade off today. Start with the S&P 500, see how that's looking. It's pushing up. So that should mean the overall market today will probably be pushing up. It broke this resistance here, had a little breakdown, a little bit of retracement, partially didn't retrace all the way, and now it's back on its move up. That's good. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Dre, have you heard about how crazy people have been talking about like Bitcoin lately? Yeah, people have been talking about crazy because like Bitcoin it's at I don't know if you know like how Bitcoin's really been moving, but it's at like, let's see what it's at right now. It's at 63,000 right now. So yeah, I remember too, I had a video on it like when it was at 30,000, talking about if 30,000 was going to be like a support or not and everything. And yeah, it seemed to have a bounce. Honestly, looking at it from like a technical standpoint, it looks like it's gonna keep going up. Like, it broke its resistance, came back down to retrace. So this would be a good place for a lot of people to get in, possibly, if it can bounce off of it. So I mean, yeah, Bitcoin is a pretty good investment, honestly. I mean, I could possibly see Bitcoin hitting 100K. Yeah, I mean, I could see it hitting 100K. Oh, yep. You already know what's going on, people. We're gonna chill. We're gonna just look around, peep the market. I got a whole bunch of pairs on my watch list right now. We're just gonna go through a couple, draw up some lines, try to see if we can find some retracements. What is it? I'm looking for retracements. I'm looking for head and shoulders. I'm looking for zones to be hit. And then you already know what I'm doing. I'm shooting with the 9. Like, if I see any of these situations play out, I'm shooting with the 9, and we're making this money. You know what I'm saying? Big profits. Let's see what this appears. Yeah, I'm honestly surprised you're up this early. It's kind of crazy.
Me?
Yes.
I know. I don't know why I'm up. I literally just woke up.
You know, I'm like, bro, it's 6 a.m. for me, but it's 5. I mean, I was up at 5, but like 6 a.m. for me, but like, sheesh, girl.
I've been up since 2:30.
2:30. Are you going back to sleep before you go to class and everything?
I mean, I have to be up at 7 for class.
So you're probably just gonna stay up, or?
Yeah, I'll probably just take a nap after.
I feel that. I'm gonna get rid of these drawing tools for you guys. So I'm looking at Euro US dollar on the hour. I'm actually this looks like it might be a play, possibly. I'm seeing a double top here, which is extremely negative. When you see double tops, you short. When you see double bottoms, you go long. I'm seeing a break of trend and a retracement. It had a support here at 1168, around 1167. It broke that, as you can see here, came down, came back up to get some more of that demand, and possibly we'll be looking for a short on that, which will make more sense. As you can see, a break, retracement. That's why I trade, is retracements are honestly my favorite thing to trade. I'll trade head and shoulders, you know what I'm saying? I'll trade just overall trends, but you know what I'm saying, retracements are my favorite thing to trade because you're normally very well protected in them. And so if we can get maybe a little bit more of a breakdown to kind of show us that it's actually going negative, then that's definitely a trade I would like to take. As you guys know, I've been doing a little bit more day trading lately, but I really don't like trading too much off the 5-minute just because it's so quick, and I'm the type of person like I think the 5-minute chart is a little bit better for maybe if you're using a huge account and you're trying to get out in 30 minutes, you're trying to get out 15, 30 minutes, an hour, and just get that little tiny move that you need. But I'm the type of person, I like to, you know, get in my trade, kind of go to work, watch it throughout the day a little bit, and then maybe close it by the end of the day or close it within a few hours. So honestly, I'll probably start trading more off of like the 30-minute chart. I used to trade on the 4-hour chart a lot, but that was just too long for me. Like, I'm not trying to be sitting in positions for, you know, multiple days, weeks, 2 weeks. It's just too long. It's just not, you know, it's just not as enjoyable to me. You know, it's more effective, you know, from a long-term standpoint, but it's not as enjoyable. And when a move does go bad for you, or you're waiting for something to hit your stop loss, it's like, I don't want to be in a trade for that long just for it to hit my stop loss. It's like, that's not really what I got into the game for. But yeah, Euro US dollar, it may start providing some openings. Let me actually look at it on the 5, see if there's any type of way that we can possibly try to get into this. On the 5, we can see that it broke resistance here, turned support. So we have resistance here, turned into a support. I would like to see it honestly break through the support pretty hard, and then I would look for a short. Maybe something like this. Let me pull up my drawing tool for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for the support, by the way, that you guys showed me on my first little stream. By the way, you know, I'm just getting into it. You know, I'm just getting my feet wet. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? These dudes on YouTube, they scared to do live streaming as often as I'm about to do it. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to play that game with me. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to play that game with me. But I'm gonna play that game with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna play that game with y'all. Why? Because we on these markets every day. You know what I'm saying? We on these markets every day. So if I got to do it anyway, I got to do it anyway. I might as well do it with my sexy pieces, as Dame Drops would say. My sexy pieces. What up, my sexy pieces? By the way, y'all should check out that channel because it's smacking. He's got the best and worst reviews. You already know. Ooh, I'm on your nose, girl. Why your nose all in the camera? Your nose is all in the camera. Sheesh. But yeah, people, we're gonna be looking for shorts, Euro US dollar most likely. If it starts breaking to the upside, then I would probably sit on my hands, wait, just wait for better opportunities, you know, that kind of thing. But yeah, I would definitely love to see a breakdown in Euro US dollar, and I think that would be good. Let me actually go on the daily for it before I yeah, shorts. Oh yeah. Oh, ooh. Y'all see that? That is sexy, y'all. That is very sexy. Like, that is looking good. The short on that would be juicy profits. Think you could even, your target would be probably about 1.08, 1.07. That's a ton of money, people. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy. So yeah, we would love to start seeing this stock break down. And once it starts breaking down, like, we're definitely going to be active on it. Maybe even during the stream. We just need a couple of 5-minute charts to come in, 5-minute candlesticks to come in, start showing us some, you know, some negative momentum on it. Right now it's consolidating. We want it to break this consolidation, pop back up, give us an opportunity to get back in, and then, you know what I'm saying, then we're a Buzz Lightyear. What does he say? What does he say? To infinity and beyond. You know what I'm saying? We'd be like, to the support and beyond. You know, I'm crazy. Let me stop. But yeah, like, that's what I was saying, Dre. I was like, this is what the live stream is all about. Like, you know what I'm saying? Not only you get to show the people how you actually trade, like, you get to show the people how you actually really, like, look at the charts, how you really think, show them your personality, like, you know, just that kind of thing. Because that's how I be when I'm on the charts. I'm like, Buzz Lightyear, to infinity and beyond, you know. Like, to the support and beyond, you know. Ooh, I'm liking this EuroCAD. It's looking like a good short, honestly, pretty soon. We're seeing the zones, people. We're seeing the zones. I wouldn't hop in right now because the margin for loss is just too high. But it's definitely in a downwards trend. Definitely wouldn't want to go long here. It's slightly sideways, but I mean, let's be real here. The overall trend is definitely down. So what would I look for here? Possibly, let's see. Let me make it so you guys can see it. What I would be looking for here probably would be some type of. I would honestly need it to break down a lot more and then pop up before I could get into it. So that's not really something I think I could consider right now. Oh, this is a sexy trend right now, for especially for my long-term traders in AUD USD. I needed to kind of break down, maybe get some type of, let me show you. I'll show you guys. Yeah, I needed to maybe break down a little bit to a zone, bounce off that zone. Ugh, I wish oh my gosh, if I could have caught that a few hours ago. Or not a few hours ago. This is a 5-minute chart. I should have got up earlier, people. We would have had a trade right there, probably. Oh my gosh, if I had hopped on like 5:30 a.m. Oh man, I would have seen this. This is a zone right here. It came, broke that zone, came back down, touched on it, broke up off it. That would have been a juicy trade. Now it's very much off of the 200-day EMA. I would love to see this hopefully break down in the next, 30, 40, 50 minutes. Because if it does, I'm shooting, people. I'm shooting the club up, people, if that's what happens. That thing hit 75. That thing hit 74.90. Oh, I'm doing what I got to do. I'm sorry. I'm not. I'm really not. I'm not. Good. Are you watching the show?
I'm about to.
Got you. Dang, I wish I had got that opportunity. You guys can even see it on the 4-hour. Came, broke down, hit about 745. Let me show you. Let me draw for it, because everyone doesn't just trade. So let me. Resistance here. Resistance is turned into supports. It turned into a support. Bounced up. Man, I wish I could have got that. And now, like I said, I'm going to put it in my notes, actually. So I got my notes going. You know what I'm saying? Let me make myself a little bit smaller so you guys can see the notes real quick. You see, I'm getting a little cleaner with the streaming, Like I'm making my little camera box a little smaller. I don't know what you call it. But must be in line with 200-day EMA and for our I would say, and must be trending on the 4-hour. That's how I'll say it. Trending on the 4-hour. Yeah. When you trading, people, you already know, like, you got to be constantly adjusting, constantly just looking at your mistakes. Like, you gotta be like, you're done in the market if you can't really look at your mistakes and learn from them every time. Like, you might as well go ahead and throw your laptop in the trash. Like, it's OV, you know what I'm saying? And that's one problem that I've had recently, especially when I started day trading. I was thinking that because I was day trading, that like I could get away from, because when I trade on the 4-hour, and I used to, you know what I'm saying, trade on the 4-hour all the time, do a whole bunch of swing trading, I would constantly be, obviously just going with the overall long-term trend. But when I started day trading off the 5-minute, I was like, well, I'm trading off the 5-minute, so even though the long-term trend may be, long, I can still go short because I'm playing, I'm trying to get in and out real quick, that kind of thing. Nah, I don't think that's, I mean, you can do it if, like I said, if you feel comfortable with that. But for me, it's like my percentage chance of success is just so much higher if I just still continue with the trend, and if I don't try to take those trades that can possibly go away from it. Man, I wish I had got in here AUD USD. If I'd have woke up at 5:30, we'd be sitting in here We be sitting in here just watching me make some money, people. But let me get to these other ones, because there might be other pairs. There might be other opportunities. Let me not sit and dwell on the past. Let's not do that. All right, so we're seeing kind of consolidation, short, almost to the downside. Wouldn't call that a real retracement. We've got a zone here. Let me draw it for you guys and draw it for me later. Got a zone here. Like I said, normally before I would consider, okay, possibly it hits the zone, it finds it as support, pop up, but the overall trend is down. So like I was saying with my new rule, you know, I'm not taking that. Like I'm not doing that, because the overall trend is up. So, well, I guess with the overall trend being up, then that could make a little sense. But it's consolidating. I don't want to touch that. It's too choppy, honestly. It's just too choppy, guys. Boom, we're not taking it. Unload the clip. Unload the clip. Are you watching Riverdale?
I am.
That's why you got up so early. You need to stop playing with these people. Stop lying to these people. That's why you got up so early. Is because you was trying to watch Riverdale.
No, I just.
You was trying to watch Riverdale. You need to stop the. What is it they be like on the Fresh and Fit show? I think Kevin Samuels got it too. Stop the cap. Like, and just big capping and big capping.
So good.
Hey, but I'm happy you're here with me this morning. You know what I'm saying? It makes the stream more chill. Like, I can relax. I'm not sitting here by myself, you know, watching a video off to the side while I go through these charts, you know? Yeah, we chilling. We chilling. We chilling. GBP USD. I lost money on this. I did. I lost money on this one. You want to know why I lost money on this? Because it's funny, too, that I lost money on this trade. This is what I'm talking about. Y'all got to watch out for the 5-minute chart. Like, I think I entered somewhere around here to go short because I saw that it was an ascending triangle. And even though I know ascending triangles break out to the upside, they have to get to the end of the triangle, and it bounces in between the triangle to get there. Let me show you guys. So it would be like, where's my pointing tool? I need to find the tool that just lets me like kind of go. But like, yeah, so we went down, we went up, we go back down. You see I'm having to do this. I'll figure out the tool eventually, guys. And back up. So we went down, back up, down, and now we're heading back up, which is exactly what an ascending triangle is supposed to do. So I saw it around here, something like that. I tried to go short on it because I knew that it wanted to reach the bottom of the triangle, but I got stopped out probably here, honestly, because it broke that resistance here. And I was like, oh, sheesh, that's an ascending triangle that ended very quickly. And as you can see, it didn't end very quickly. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. So what does it mean? What does that mean? That means if I had been using something like an hour, that wouldn't have happened to me. That would not have happened to me. And that's why I'm probably going to start trading more so off of not the 4 hour now, but I'm probably going to start trading more off of the hour, just because stuff like that doesn't happen to you if you do that. Like in the 5-minute, like I said, I know how it is. It's all about matching your trading style to how, you know what I'm saying, how not only how your day goes, but how you are. And for me, I feel like I'm a person who the 4 hour is way too long for me. I don't want to be in trades that long, but the 5-minute is way too quick for me. I'm not trying to be in and out in 30 minutes. I'd rather hold it, sell it at 12 o'clock, boom, 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 and also have the security that comes with messing with the hour. You know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. So, I mean, it is what it is, but that's why we're trading off the hour now, you know? Maybe the 30-minute. I may have to start looking at the 30-minute as well, which I'll be doing. And I'll probably start running some back testing on that, which looks like we'll have time for it. So I'll probably do some back testing on the stream as well. Dre, do you know what back testing is?
No, I don't. What is it?
It's like you take a strategy, right? You take a strategy that you have in the market, and then you scroll through the past charts. Like you scroll through the past, all the candlesticks in the past, and you try to kind of play out your strategy to see if it works, because you can already see what happens in the future because you're just
Because of the past?
yeah. So let's say I go look like 2 months ago, right? And I'm looking for a break of a resistance or something like that. So I'll look for breaks of resistance. I'll see where my entry would be if I played out my strategy, and then I'll see if the strategy worked in the future, because you can already see what happened in the future. You see what I'm saying? That's what that's what back testing is. It's like a way to practice. You know, you can sit there and back test all day.
Seems like a good strategy.
Yeah, it's a good way to kind of like, you know what I'm saying, get yourself together. But yeah, people, this ascending triangle, don't get me wrong, it's looking sexy for a long. I can't lie, it's looking good. It's definitely going down the runway. But I know how ascending triangles work, and they break out to the top. So I would rather wait for a break to the top of the ascending triangle, and then that'd be such a safe trade, like a safe and textbook trade. The dudes on Wall Street looking at that trade like, yep, I'm buying. But yeah, you know, getting some more pairs, people. Get some more pairs. Oh, let me make myself bigger. Y'all know I got a big head. Y'all know I be wanting y'all to see how good I look. So let me make this bigger so y'all can see how good I look. You know what I'm saying? What episode of Riverdale are you on, girl?
11.
Sheesh, how many episodes in the new season?
19.
19? Dang. That's how you know they writing trash.
This season's so good.
That's how you know they writing trash. Y'all come out with 19 episodes in one.
It's because it has like a good storyline.
You think that storyline good? You want to know why you think that storyline good? Because so many people done made it before.
No, not like this.
You seeing a reformed version of Romeo and Juliet talking about? I'm sorry, I'm roasting you on this stream.
That's so rude.
I'm just saying they don't took a Shakespeare
No, this
and reformed it. Everybody talking about good. Yeah, it's good because Shakespeare wrote that 400 years ago.
This season has nothing to do with like lovey-dovey. It's more of like
No, I'm not saying that. And all of Shakespeare's plays weren't lovey-dovey. I just used Romeo and Juliet like as an example real quick. You know what I mean? I'm just talking about what I believe is Riverdale's terrible writing. But don't get me wrong, I'll watch it eventually. I'll tune back in, you know, because I can't just be talking bad about Riverdale, and I don't really watch it like that. But that's what I got when I was watching Riverdale, and I have seen seasons of Riverdale. Like I've seen multiple seasons of Riverdale.
this season's like different. It's more of like thriller.
Okay. More like, I mean, they done got Zach and Cody on there, so people like, yeah. That's really what it is. They done got Zach and Cody on there, so people like, dang, this show good. I ain't seen a show like this since Sweet Life. Let me stop. These people trying to watch me trade. Let me stop. These people trying to watch me trade. Oh my gosh. The mic was moved back too. I hope it wasn't moved back for too long. I hope you guys can hear me. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all. I just started trading. I ain't even noticed. You know, I've been chilling. You know what I'm saying? I've been chilling, having a good time. So let's get back into it. USD CHF. I mean, I don't really know why people would trade this too much, but I've seen a ton of people trade this, honestly. I mean, I just say that from look at the daily. Like, ugh, the consolidation is nasty. Like, it's nasty. It's that girl in high school that pull up makeup caked on. Like, ew. Like, this consolidation is like, I wouldn't really touch it. But like, I've seen a lot of people trade it, and when they do, they normally day trade it and they make money off of it. So, you know, don't hate the player, hate the game. You know what I'm saying? But like, I wouldn't touch it simply because like, man, this consolidation, bro, this thing could go anyway. I mean, you could range trade it maybe, but even still, like, ew, like who's trying to range trade this? And I don't even like range trading. Like, I think range trading is kind of like, I wouldn't say it's dumb because supports do hold. They're called supports for a reason, and resistances do hold. They're called resistances for a reason, but range trading, yeah. Mr. Mike, I hope you picked that up even though you were like behind me. But you probably did, let's be real here. And I'm pretty loud. I pretty much be sitting here yelling at the camera. Like, it probably picked it up. And I turned the background music down a little bit, so that should help pick up my voice even more. It's crazy. JBP, JPY, let's see how this is looking, people. Okay, so we have a kind of change in trend. It was going downtrend and some consolidation. Seems like now it's breaking to the upside. We will probably want to see a breakdown and then possibly a push up before we could really trust this, because we have this double top that was here that was broken. That's good looks because, you know, double top you normally traditionally use short, but it actually broke the double top, which is interesting. But the double top is pretty much a support. So what do I mean, resistance. So what do we do when we see resistances? We want to see a hard break of it, a retracement back to it, and then a push off of it. So that's something to consider in the future for all my sexy pieces. I need to stop streaming because I get to be me. I need to stop streaming because I get to be me. But oh, this is nice. Euro JPY. We got some rejection here. It didn't make it all the way there, but we got some rejection. Like I said, normally I would consider possibly a day trade short on the 5-minute chart, possibly, if I could see a situation that plays itself out. A retracement, a zone, which that would definitely be a zone that got hit. I'll show you guys a zone. Sorry I haven't been really doing too much drawing. I've just been talking about the market, but a lot of people are visual. I've just been doing this so long. I've been on the market like 5 years. So like I'll see things and I don't really feel the need to throw an indicator, draw, run up the lines, just because I've seen it 1,000 times. like I told you guys, like, trading isn't about the technicals. Like, you can teach somebody the fundamentals of trading within like 30 minutes to an hour, but it's all about like having the right mindset and being able to not let that mindset affect you and place a good trade every time you trade. And risk management as well, which comes with having the right mindset and understanding that every trade isn't going to be a winner and not letting it affect you when they're a loser. And Dre already know, like, you saw me, what was it, 2 days ago? The broker took me out before my stop loss and I almost threw the laptop. I was like, bro, put me on the phone. I'm trying to see whoever did this and slap them in their mama. I was like, sorry YouTube, because I know YouTube doesn't condone violence. Like, doesn't matter. Like, y'all can't demonetize me. My channel's not hype enough yet. Like, let me stop though. I need YouTube to like me. I need YouTube to like me. GBP AUD, we have a breakdown below the EMA, but we can see there's a zone here. I'll draw it out for you guys. Like I said, we see there's a zone there that it's on right now. You have a break above that, and we could possibly have a break to the upside. And honestly, with this one, you can see a few months back, like, that thing made it all the way to like 2, and it's at 1.8 now. So like, if this thing starts breaking out to the upside, and you can see it's shown support here, all types of support here. I'll show you guys. I'll pull it back some more. You see all this support, support here. So it looks like it's basically holding support and waiting to continue and break to the upside. I mean, at that point, if I was long-term trading, I would definitely be looking at that pretty hard. Especially like you look at that on the weekly and it's like, boom, people, you know what I'm saying? Like, boom, we're out of here, you know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. Okay, we got consolidation here. Not really trying to play too much with consolidation. Let's see if I can get a trade for you guys. I just need the opportunity to be right. That's the thing. I could see this for a day trade soon, possibly. It's just consolidation, which I don't like to play with. But if you're a range trader, you could easily look at this and say, okay, boom. That's a range, support, comes back down, finds support, you get a little pop up, it's over with. We're out of there, you know what I'm saying? We smashing and dashing, you know, like we smashing and dashing. Like we in and out, no restaurant, you know what I'm saying? I need to stop. But you know what I'm saying? That's how it is. You get in there real quick, grab your money real quick, and then you out. You Scooby-Doo running out of there. Like, we Scooby Snack running out of there. Like, we out. We in and out. No restaurant. Let's see what's going on with this. Let's see if this trend touches. Ooh, I bet this gonna end up hitting this trend line too. On AUD JPY. But yeah, I'm gonna start breaking stuff down on the hour. I've been kind of in the daily lately. For this stream right now, but I'm gonna start breaking stuff down on the hour, and I'm gonna start looking for positions possibly. Like, I just don't want to jump the gun on anything, so let's do that. Like I said, I'm looking for this breakdown here. You're still in an uptrend on the honestly, like Euro USD. Hold on, let me see. I gotta move it so you guys can see it. I gotta work on that. Let me make myself smaller so I don't deal with this. I'm sorry, guys. I just want you guys to see how good I look. You see this trend line. Honestly, a break of this trend line, a break and a retracement to it, and like I'm in there. Like, I'm definitely taking that trade. You sleep, girl? I haven't heard from you.
What?
I was like, you sleep? I ain't heard you. Shoot, you got any breakfast foods? You might as well start, like, I know we don't eat breakfast really like that, but you might as well start pulling out, like, you know, the breakfast. like if I had some bacon or something, you know, that would be like great right now. Just because it's like, we don't really eat breakfast, but like it's so early. It's like,
It really is. It'd be like the perfect time.
yeah, it's like, why not? I'm the type of dude, I might have to pull out one of them fried wings I made yesterday. Ooh, those wings are going crazy.
They look so good.
They was smacking. I can't lie. I cannot cap. The wings was hitting. I'll be right back, people. I'm about to go grab this juice. Why did I say it like that? Wait, hold on. Let me sit down real quick. Wait, where did I get that from? Oh, that's from, you know the dude that makes the Chicago be like?
Yeah.
Yeah, he be on stuff like that, like.
He said, let me go get it.
I'll be right back. My sexy pieces. I'm about to go get this juice. That's like Chicago be like / Dame drops. Like, if Chicago be like was making food reviews, he'd be like, so you know I had to go to the Asian spot, right? Cause the reviews wasn't hitting like that. You know what I'm saying? They was on something weak. So I had to pull up to the spot and see what Shawty was talking about. And Shawty came with them thick meats. Whole time Bray eating a piece of sesame chicken. Alright, let me stop. But this is what I was saying, like, the streams, y'all get to see how I actually be to you. Honestly. Let me see what's good with the meats. Who's the people who be like, we have the meats? I think that's Arby's.
What is?
We have the meats.
Yes.
And plus, y'all better not judge me for drinking straight out of this juice bottle, by the way. Because if you do, I'm going to roast you. Because I live by myself and I got this juice. I'm going to be the only one that's sipping out of it. So if you got a problem with me sipping straight out of this juice bottle, and you could take that up with my accountant, you could take that up with my assistant, which is me, and I be roasting. So good luck with that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to be so aggressive to my followers. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just waiting on a trade, guys. Guys, Andrea, I'm just waiting on a trade. And I'm honestly liking this Euro US dollar, but it's going to take a little while to break down, people. And either way, it's good analysis. It's good analysis. It'll show you guys what you should be looking for throughout the day, for sure. You know, you could even get, let's say this is a double top, just how we broke the other one. We saw over here we've got this demand zone. It could technically, since it's at this demand zone right here, it could break this demand zone and, you know, go to the upside, continue with this trend that it's on. But yeah, but if you look at the overall trend, it looks like it already kind of hit a possible supply zone. So, you know, risky. That's why you gotta sit on your hands. Trading is a lot of waiting and watching. That's what I've had to learn. I love to trade too, so I'd be like, let me go get in. Like, it's looking juicy, but like, and as much as I love to be in the trade, the thrill of being in a trade and everything, trading is all about waiting patiently, watching. If you can sit in a DMV all day, every day of your life, you'll probably be a great trader. Maybe the best trader. If you could live your entire life, you wake up 6:30 a.m., go to the DMV, you asking, you trying to get your license renewed, and you cool with waiting until 3 p.m. 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. every day for the rest of your life, you'll be a great trader, honestly. Because that's what it's all about. Because the second they call your ticket and you shoot your shot on that trade, you making some money. People. You already know that I got the flow. You already know that I go with the flow. It breaks down, then I go to town. Now I got money. Chris Brown, look at me now. Ooh. They better stop playing with me. I'm telling y'all, these Forex streamers don't be like this. They can't show y'all how they really are. They can't. Why? Because that's not how they really are. Ooh. There's a couple of them. Day Trading Addict, he's a real one. Nick FX, he's a real one. Ty, he's a real one. Mamba, fake. Yeah, I'm beefing. I'm starting YouTube beefs. I ain't got clout. I should start YouTube beefs. I see the fake. Why not? What you about to do? Hit me with a stack of fake. Hit me with a stack of fake dollars, counterfeit dollars. Let me stop. Oh, Mamba FX gonna hit me with a stack of counterfeit dollars. Let me stop. Then y'all know I get big. Then y'all catch me at the convention trying to make money with them. Let me stop. I'm done. But yeah, we just watching these markets.
See anything good?
As far as day trading, I mean, as far as like the 5-minute chart, yeah. Honestly, Euro US dollar is looking, it's looking prime. It had a break of its. I mean, not a break of its trend. It's completely on trend. It's really doing everything that it's supposed to do. Maybe if I see a breakout, maybe I'll take a quick little trade for you guys. But I have to see a breakout above 1645. But like I told you guys, overall, like I'm more so short on this. Just like long term, I would rather trade the hour on it and go short on it. But that's gonna take some time. But if we do get a breakout on 1645, I'll probably hop in real quick, make a little like few bucks, something like that. But like I said, as y'all know, I'm looking for the break. I would rather have it break down as fast as possible. I know that's not necessarily how it is, but yeah, because the breakdown's gonna take some time. But yeah, if this thing breaks above 11,645, then I'll take a quick little trade on it for you guys. Most definitely. I gotta learn about the YouTube rules. Like, Jared, we could be watching a show right now while we do this. I'm gonna put my headphones on real quick.
You gonna watch something?
Let me see what Kevin Samuel was talking about. You know, he was talking about modern women should be free to compete on the open market. Yeah, he's basically saying by that he means like, rather than black people feeling like they should all date in their race, he's saying like, you know, go wherever you want to go, and then like you won't feel so entitled because you'll have to actually compete. I mean, I guess. I mean, I get it for like, I guess the dudes that are like, I have to have a black woman. Like, I feel like it's nice to have a black woman, but you don't have to. You just be with whoever like makes you happy. That's how I've always seen it. So I don't know. I mean, but I get what he's saying, because there are a lot of like very, very race loyal people. I mean, I get it. It has advantages, but I mean, it can also have disadvantages too. You know, it just depends on like the person, really. It just depends on the person. Oh, we may start getting this break to the upside, people. I told you, if it clears, if it can clear 16.45, I'm shooting my shot. I'm buying it a drink. You know? 16.45, I'm sending my drink over. Is it gonna do it though? That's the question. Let's go more into it. Some other pairs. CAD's busting down. CAD's busting down hard. That's what I'm saying. If I was cool with being in the trades for a long time, like obviously I would go short CAD, put my support above here, let it run. But like, bro, I'm not trying to be in the trade that long. I'm trying to be out today or tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? I don't need all that drama in my life. Like, I'm not trying to do that. Oh, we getting a little breakdown on AUD USD. Interesting. Is it trying to come back to the trend, or is it trying to make a new high? It already made an old high, so you just have to watch and wait, people. that you making that noise?
No.
Oh. That sounded like you was breathing like dumb hard or something. I was like, you good? You doing good? I mess around and call the British police. I think they're 999 instead of 911. I'd be like, y'all. I'd be like, on the low. I'd be like, I gotta take this girl out. Like she's done. I'd be like, oh, dang. I tried to call the police. I called 999.
That would do nothing for me.
British police pick up like what? Where's she at? I'd be like, not in Britain.
No.
999. You know, it's weird too that they use. Correct me if I'm wrong, people, but I'm pretty sure it's 999. But it is a little ugly to use 999. I feel because like you could spam 999 on accident easily.
Yeah.
Like you can't hit 911 like 9 and then move your finger, hit 11, but you can easily kind of, I don't know, be laying around or just on something stupid and just 999 like it's all the same number, like, but I guess they don't have too many problems with it, because if they did, they probably would have changed it by now. Yeah, but I can see a lot of opportunities opening up. I'm gonna really want to be patient. We're gonna really want to be patient, just throughout the day, and kind of let these situations play it out and not shoot the gun too quick. Cause like, you know, trading is all about taking it day by day. You know, it's not about making your money quick. It's not about anything like that. You're not gonna make $1,000 a day, especially from the start. Like, you're not gonna do that unless your account's very fat, like, and very fat. Like, you know, just chill. You know what I'm saying? Take a trade, scoop up your $200-300. It'll add up, and then one day you'll be to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But you already know me. When I get to $1,000 a day, I'm about to be wilding. I'm gonna be on this wild stream. I'm gonna have a lion behind me. Like, he gonna be chilling. I'm gonna be like, "What up, Leo?" I don't know if y'all saw that video of Offset almost getting eaten up by the lion. These dudes better stop playing. But I can't lie, I would be that type of person. If I could, I would buy me a lion. I wouldn't be hugging on him. I'd be like, get in your cage. You better get in your cage. I ain't trying to get eat up. I watched too much Animal Planet back in the day to go out like that. Shout out to Steve Irwin. You know what I'm saying?
Animal Planet scares me.
Why does Animal Planet scare you?
You know I can't watch.
Oh! It'd be the videos of like the walruses or whatever they were. They just falling off cliffs, people. Like, they was really like just falling. Like, I don't know why they were falling either. Like, it was like it was
They were just falling off.
like I don't think I can use that word, but you know, they was committing like I don't think you can use that word on YouTube. You can get it can hurt your video, but yeah, they was just like it was like they was jumping off the cliff like.
They were like rolling and like bumping into it. That was scary.
Yeah, they was rolling all down the rocks into the water. I was like, dang, nature is real out here. Sheesh, we thought these Chicago streets was serious. Nah, fam. Okay, it says I'm reconnected. Let's see. I don't know how this works. Why would my OBS disconnect? Let's see. I'm trying to see if I'm still live. It says my OBS disconnected. I'm like, yeah, it's weird. So, like, yeah.
I'm gonna take an hour nap before class.
Yeah, you got it. Cause I still need to see what's good with this stream anyway. Yeah, I think I'm about to hop off of this anyway, cause I need to see what's going on. It says my OBS disconnected, and I'm looking at it, and it looks like it's doing something weird. So I'm gonna kind of just see what's going on with it. But yeah,
Save?
huh?
Did your stream save?
Oh yeah, it's gonna save. It's just my OBS disconnected, and now I'm looking at like the stream on YouTube, and it's like it's working weird. So I'm gonna just see if like this part of it's still on the stream or whatever, and just figure all that out. But all right, girl.
Okay, I'll text you once I get to class.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, people. Well, I'm gonna end the stream here because I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but this has been good. Hopefully we can get some trades for you guys soon. But like I said, I don't want to jump the gun, and you know, part of showing you guys good trading is actually showing you guys good trading. So I'm gonna leave it at that. You guys have a blessed day, and you know what I'm saying, be good and use